This is Ernesto Rodriguez, and welcome to my Edmodo training class tour. We will start off with the main page of my training class, and you see at the top there is the name of the training class. Then there is a welcome post that is pinned to the top of the page, and it gives an overview of what this class contains. So this class is based on technology in the classroom. The overview says this is a self-paced class that is designed for teachers that want to integrate technology into their classes while learning Edmodo. The purpose for the class is to help teachers to get comfortable with using technology in their classes on a regular basis. And what will you learn? You will learn about how to benefit from the features of Edmodo, the benefits of using technology in the classroom, why having cloud storage is important, how YouTube can help with sharing video content, linking your Google Drive and OneDrive to your Edmodo library, and how to gamify your class using badges. As you work your way through each assignment, you will become more comfortable with the amazing features Edmodo offers to help you manage a blended class environment or a full online virtual class, no matter the subject that you teach. This is the main wall, which has been set to read only. It includes all the assignments you will need to complete the course. After successfully completing each assignment, you will receive a badge of completion. Then there is the class structure that outlines all of the tasks that need to be completed and the badge that they will receive on completing the task. And we talk about additional posts. You will find additional posts between the tasks that will assist you with the tasks that follow. Take the time to read them and review the resources attached. You cannot post or comment on this page, but you can collaborate and share with the discussion small group folder. You can share your work in the Share Small Group folder and find resources for the course under the folder link in the Resources folder. The Resources folder also has an Edmodo Resources folder with how-tos on completing common Edmodo tasks. I hope you enjoy the class. And as we scroll back up, we will look at the different small groups. So here is the Discussion Small Group, which allows you to start a discussion or ask for some assistance. And then there is the Share Small Group folder that allows you to share resources that you would have created or would like to share with the other students in the class. Then there is the Resources folder that has resources for the course itself. And if we go back, there is a folder devoted to Edmodo resources with how-tos and how to complete tasks, common tasks in Edmodo. So if we go back to the post or the main wall, we have the first task, which is the introduction. This is labeled as task 1. The bullet says what needs to be accomplished in order to complete the task and which badge will be received on successful completion of the task. Then we have a poll, task 2, which requires creating a formatted post. And this has a resource attached that talks about the benefits of using technology in the classroom, which the post will be based on. And in order to successfully complete this task, there must be a post with 3 different text formats. We talk about using the link to post feature in Edmodo. Again, there is a resource attached, which is the link to post by Kate Baker that gives some how-tos on how to grab that link to post. Then they will submit that link to post into this assignment box and receive the conversation starter badge. We talk about the benefits of using YouTube, OneDrive, and Google Drive to share large content files or video content. Task 4 requires them to share a YouTube video or link with their colleagues in the Share folder, and also to submit that link into this assignment box. Task 5 is a quiz that will test or assess their knowledge on using the benefits of using technology in the classroom. And then we talk about what is a screencast, and I give some links on tools that you can use to create screencast. And then the final assignment, well, before the final assignment, we talk about creating a quiz in Edmodo and the benefits of using Edmodo for assessment. And then the final assignment is that they must create an Edmodo quiz, create a screencast of that quiz, and then turn in the link to the screencast after they would have shared it in their Share Small Group folder. The last post is a congratulations on successfully completing the course. That brings me to the end of this tour. Thank you very much.